In this video, I want to go over a very interesting feature of XBRL that most people probably are not aware of. Maybe they are. It's called formula chaining. So basically in XBRL, the XBRL formula specification has a thing called formula. And what it does is you specify how an element in a report or a fact in a report is created. So here I have an XBRL formula that specifies that the concept, the fact liabilities is to be created, and the value, is to be calculated by taking assets, subtracting equity, use the context information from assets, and create the concept liabilities. Wait. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. So there's another piece to this, which is this little function, this little formula. And what this does is it takes all the existing concepts and other information and pulls it forward into the result XBRL instance. So basically what you can do is create a chain of new elements, and you can just string these together as long as you want and add whatever you want to an XBRL instance document. And it may not seem like much, but it's kind of equivalent to a SQL statement that calls a previous SQL statement, that calls a previous SQL statement, that calls a previous SQL statement. And basically, you can create very complex SQL statements by creating a string of simple SQL statements. So all you have to do to make this work, so this is the UV Matrix XBRL processor, and I'm going to kick that off. And then you'll see that it's creating some files, or it will in a second. I'm just going to let this run. You're starting to see files created over here. And now it's done. Press any key to continue. So here's what happened. Got a bunch of new files. So here's the first instance document. It has two facts, assets, and equity. Here's the new one. Assets, equity, and liabilities. Pretty slick. So here's what's going on. So it ran 3 iterations on the file. The first, it tries to verify the file to make sure that assets equals liabilities and equity. It can't because you didn't have liability, so the formula did not fire. So there's one formula, but it didn't fire. You run the formula that creates elements, or a new instance document. Basically, it takes the existing information from the preceding document, pulls it forward, and then creates a new report. So it's created 3 facts. Okay. Then the third verifies. So one assertion, and it was fired that time, and it's satisfied. And here you see. And that's really it. You can go to my blog and download these files and see how this works. Yeah, I think that's it.